I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums. Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is one simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums, to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly, once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. I'll share the secret of an eco-friendly fertilizer that will make your geraniums bend under the weight of their blooms. Geraniums need the right fertilizer to grow healthy and flower beautifully, so make it now. Take 1 banana, peel it, cut it into smaller pieces, and place it in a jar. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support plant growth. Add about 0.35 ounces of fresh yeast to a bowl. Yeast is an excellent source of minerals and enzymes, helps speed up plant growth, and improve soil structure. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast, then pour in about 3 fluid ounces of warm water and mix until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into the jar with the banana and add about 1 quart of water so the ingredients combine. Leave the solution for a few days so the ingredients can blend well and ferment. Take a watering can, pour in some of the solution, add about 1 quart of water to dilute it, and water your geraniums with this fertilizer once a week. You will notice how quickly they grow, become stronger, and start blooming beautifully. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will help your plants thrive in a healthy and balanced environment. Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. You won't believe how easy it is to keep geraniums blooming for months. Your balcony will be filled with vibrant colors and a beautiful fragrance that delights you every day. This is the secret behind my grandmother's stunning geraniums. If you want more of these plants, choose a healthy shoot that doesn't yet have any open flowers. Then cut off the tip. Prepare a small amount of honey, which helps retain moisture and is often used when rooting cuttings. Next, get some ground cinnamon, valued by many gardeners for its protective properties. First, dip the end of the shoot into the honey, then coat it thoroughly with cinnamon. This will give the cutting better conditions to start growing. Now place it into the soil and gently press the soil around the stem. Next, prepare some eggshells, which are a natural source of calcium that supports plant growth. Crush them thoroughly in your hands and place them into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which help enrich the soil and are often used in homemade fertilizers. Mix everything thoroughly. Now slowly add water while continuously stirring the ingredients. This will create a simple fertilizer for your geraniums. Water the new cutting with this mixture to help it root more quickly and begin growing. It's an easy way to propagate geraniums. In time, they will reward you with new shoots, lush growth, and plenty of colorful flowers. That's why my grandmother's balcony looked like a true wall of flowers every year. Never throw away a used dish sponge. It can be like gold for your plants. This simple trick helps flowers retain moisture longer, grow faster, and stay lush and beautiful for a long time. Don't throw used sponges in the trash because they can be incredibly useful for plant care. Sponges store water extremely well, helping the soil stay properly moist and protecting roots from drying out, especially during warm days. First, prepare a larger bowl and pour water into it. Add a few drops of dish soap to help thoroughly clean the sponges from dirt and grease residue. Then place the sponges in the water and leave them for a moment to soak well. After that, squeeze them thoroughly and cut them into smaller pieces. Prepare another bowl, add the cut sponges, mix in some soil, and combine everything very well. Next, prepare a plastic flower pot or container with holes at the bottom. Place a few sponge pieces at the very bottom so they can retain moisture and support the plant roots. Only then add your favorite flowers or seedlings and gently cover them with the prepared mixture. Finally, water everything lightly. Thanks to this, your plants become stronger, greener, and full of beautiful flowers. These simple sponges can help your plants grow better and keep moisture in the pot much longer.